How would you describe the overall experience here at the iThrive Symposium?
I think it was very comprehensive learning.
Who was your favorite speaker?
Mr. Sushant, he just possibly because he selected, he spoke about a topic which I'm very close to. I'm a dentist, so oral health matters a lot, and that gave us a lot of insights to how dentists can make a difference along with nutritionists. So that's a pair that can really work together now.
Word of advice or something which you would like to share with our speakers to attend the next iThrive Symposium 2025? What would be that one insight?
It's beyond the books that you would want to, you've read and things like that. You will probably pick up points from here and go and read more. So if you want to enhance your knowledge as well as know what's currently going on, symposiums are a place where you want to pick up the topics and then go and do more research on. So, and I think iThrive does a great job with selecting the speakers and the topics for symposiums like this. Okay, so I just want to say that, it's a team effort. I can see the entire team has put in a lot of efforts. And I say this because of first-hand information or rather experience of conducting big events like this. This is a very well organized event. And of course, there's a lot of learning that comes from it for the team. But overall, as a whole, it's a wonderful event to be. And I think people should attend it offline. That makes a difference because there's a lot of interaction, there's a lot of, meeting people and a lot of good energy exchange that happens.